After being closed for months due to COVID restrictions, a state line attractions forced to delay its reopening. Burpee Museum was scheduled to open today. Plans changed when a pipe burst from cold temperatures. Up to 1.5 feet of water flooded the lobby, gift shop, visitor services center, and several collections. Rockford firefighters helped get flooding under control. Coming up tonight at 9 and 10, hear from Burpee staff who say it's been a community effort to save the priceless items as staff members work to get the museum restored.